In the multi-domain operational theater of the 21st century, victory is decided by information. But in these contested environments, connectivity, the very lifeblood of our forces, is often the first casualty. To secure information dominance, we can no longer rely on conventional networks alone. A new generation of technology is emerging, forged from the 3GPP standard, to build a network that is resilient, agile, and intelligent. Three technologies in particular will redefine the battle space. The first is Non-Terrestrial Network, or NTN. This technology extends our communications backbone into space and the upper atmosphere. By integrating satellites, high-altitude platform station, and drones, NTN provides ubiquitous beyond line-of-sight connectivity. For service members, this means guaranteed command and control and ISR data flow, even in the most austere or communications-denied environments. Strategic command is never lost. The second is Wireless Access and Backhaul, or WAB. WAB delivers the performance of fiber optics without the physical cable. It enables the rapid deployment of secure, high-capacity backhaul links for tactical units on the move. This allows forward operating bases and mobile command posts to be established and connected in minutes, not hours, dramatically accelerating operational tempo and unlocking unprecedented tactical agility at the edge of the battle space. The third is Integrated Sensing and Communications, or ISAC. This represents a true paradigm shift, where the act of communicating becomes an act of sensing. With ISAC, a single waveform transmits mission-critical data, while simultaneously detecting and tracking low observable threats like unmanned aerial systems. Every communications node is transformed into a sensor, creating a dense, persistent web of situational awareness that is critical for force protection. In the future of warfare, connectivity is no longer just a utility. It is the ultimate strategic high ground.